If you're obsessed with space, you've got to hear this. What does a supernova actually sound like? The answer might surprise you. In space, sound is basically out of luck. Why? Because sound needs something like air or water to travel through. And space, it's just empty darkness. So even a gigantic star exploding makes zero noise. Not a single boom. Crazy, right? But get this, scientists at NASA have found a way to hear space. They take invisible vibrations and turn them into sounds our ears can pick up. Picture black holes. These monsters actually hum with deep, weird frequencies. It's like a spooky choir echoing across the void. So, yeah, the universe is kind of singing to us, just not in any way you'd expect. Would you dare to listen to a black hole's song? Drop your thoughts below and follow Factz Prism for more wild space facts.